and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're making a super healthy and delicious smoothie full of pineapple, cucumber, and parsley. So the first thing I've done in making my smoothie is fill my blender with about a half a cup of ice, and then you can just add in the rest of your ingredients. So first I have about 1 cup of fresh pineapple, which I've chopped up and I'm going to add in. And next I have peeled a cucumber, and I'm only using half of it, and I've chopped it up like so. And now you want to add in about half a bunch of flat leaf parsley or Italian parsley. So it looks like this. And I also have 1 lemon, which I've just peeled, and so it's de-skinned. And I also have some ginger, so I'm adding in about this much ginger, but this adds quite a bit of spiciness, so you can add in how much you like. And then optional for sweetness, you can add in about 5 drops of stevia, but I'm going to taste it first and see if I need it. So let's blend it together. Oh, my last ingredient, I almost forgot. That would be a problem, as I have a 3/4 cup of coconut water, or you can just use distilled water. Now let's blend it. There we go. We have our smoothie. It smells so good and so fresh, which I absolutely love. Now, the best part, getting to try it. And this smoothie will feed 1 to 2 people depending on how hungry you are. And what I really love about this is it keeps you way fuller for longer rather than having a juice. So it's best of both worlds. Let's try it. So tasty, so refreshing, which I absolutely love. This is perfect for a hot day. And it's also so healthy and surprisingly sweet from the pineapple. I didn't have to add in any stevia. I found the pineapple added all the sweetness I need, and it's delicious. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!